Hi children, today we have another new topic. What is that? Adverbs. Adverbs describe the action word. Okay, let's look at all the adverbs here. First, nicely. What do you do nicely? You brush your teeth. Nicely, good. Seldom. That means sometimes only. Seldom, you are late to school. Softly. The cat walks softly on the floor. Never. You never tell lies. Okay, you tell lies? No, never. 2. Your cake was too delicious. Mostly. Slowly. What does the teacher say? Why are you writing slowly? Always. You're always early to school. Well. Exactly. Very. Often. Clearly. All these are adverbs. What are they? And that's what we are going to do today. We are going to enjoy adverbs, understand and look at the word correctly. What are adverbs? Let's look. Adverbs. What are adverbs? An adverb is a word that describes an action word. Adverb is a word that describes an action word, that is an adjective or another adverb. Adjective or another adverb. Okay. So we are going to look in detail adverbs. Look at the sentence and you can understand clearly. Adverb. It describes an action word, an adjective or another adverb. Let's look at our first adverb in the sentence. Detect. Okay. Or fill in. Look. Look at this little girl. She's smiling away, sitting between lots of colored plastic balls. Let's read the sentence. Now, the girl is smiling. What is the action she's doing? She's smiling. How is she smiling? How? She's smiling sweetly. Adverb. The word sweetly is an adverb and it's colored white. The girl is smiling. What is the action? Smiling. How is she smiling? Sweetly. The girl is smiling sweetly. So sweetly is the adverb. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at the next picture. Look carefully and read. Who is this? Deer. What's he doing? Running. Running. Probably there's an animal at the back. The deer is running. How is the deer running? The deer is running slowly and carefully. Yes? Slowly. The word slowly is an adverb. Yes? How is the deer running? The deer is running slowly. Good. Shall we look at another? Let's take our next picture. What is the little child doing? Eating. Yes. This little one is eating. Probably hungry. Okay. Lots of vegetables. Look. The baby is eating all the vegetables. Good baby. The baby is eating. How is the baby eating? Happily. No, mama, I don't want. The baby doesn't say. The baby is eating happily. Happily is an adverb. What is the baby doing? Eating. That's the action word. How is the baby eating? Eating happily. So happily is the adverb. Let's look at our next picture. Are you enjoying, children? Good. Look. Look at this. There's a little duck here gliding on the water. What's the duck doing? Gliding. Yes. How is the duck gliding? That's the point. So the action done by the duck is gliding. Lightly, slowly swimming. The duck is gliding. How is the duck gliding? Swiftly, fast. The duck is gliding fast over the water. On the water. So swiftly. Gliding is the verb. Swiftly is an adverb. Yes? Good. Shall we look at another picture? I hope you're enjoying this. Look at this little boy in the bathtub. Got a lot of toys. The boy is, what's the boy doing? Bathing. The boy is bathing. How is the boy bathing? Happily. What is the action? Bathing. How? Happily. Happily is an adverb. The boy is bathing happily. Did you enjoy, children? So happily is an adverb. It's colored white. Let's go on to a new picture. Good. Look here. Here is the cheetah. Here is the cheetah. What's the cheetah doing? Running. How is the cheetah run? What is the cheetah doing? Cheetah is running. Running is the action. How? Fast. Cheetah is running fast. Trying to catch a prey. The cheetah is running fast. Fast is an adverb. Good. Shall we look at another picture? I hope you are enjoying the adverb. Look at this picture. Can you see the sun? The sun is shining. How is the sun shining? Brightly. Early morning, if you look at the sun. Midday, you look at the sun up. The sun is shining bright and you can't look. Your eye will pain. The sun is shining brightly. Action, shining. Adverb, brightly. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. So now you know what's an adverb. Shall we look at some more? Good. Let's look at a new picture. Fine. Here we are. Here is a pair. What are they doing? They are dancing. What are they doing? They are dancing. The pair is dancing. How are they dancing? Gracefully. So pleasant to look at. So, the pair is dancing. Dancing is the action word. Gracefully. That is the adverb. The pair is dancing gracefully. Are you enjoying, children? Did you understand? Now, action word, dancing gracefully, adverb. Good. Let's go on, children, to another picture. Look, we have two here. Two bull, number one, bull number two. The bulls are fighting. What is the action word? The bulls are fighting. How are they fighting? Fiercely. They're not going to give in. Each bull says, I'm not going to give in. The bulls are fighting fiercely. Fiercely is the adverb. Let's go on to a new picture. Shall we? Good. I hope you're enjoying. There are two boxers here. They are boxing. The men are boxing. Boxing is the action word. And what is the adverb here? Bravely. They're not going to give in. Blood is coming from the nose, their teeth are broken. No, they're not scared. The men are boxing bravely. Brave boxers. Bravely is the adverb. Boxing is the action word. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Look. What do you see here? There are two teams here. Blue and red. What are they playing? Football. The boys are playing football. Two teams, red and blue. The boys are playing. Playing is their action word. How are they playing? Carefully. They want to win. Carefully is an adverb. They are playing carefully because they don't want to lose. The boys are playing. That's the action word. Carefully is the adverb. Let's go on to a new picture. I hope you understand what's an adverb. I hope you're enjoying. Look. Look at this little girl. What is she doing? The girl is washing her hand. The girl is washing her hand. What is she doing? Washing. Washing is the action word. How is she washing? The girl is washing her hands nicely, thoroughly, fingers, nails, everything. The girl is washing her hand nicely. Washing is the action word. Nicely is the adverb. Yes? Good. Did you enjoy, children? Let's go on to some more adverbs. Look at the children. What are they doing? They are singing. The children are singing. Singing is an action word. How are they singing? Loudly, so that everyone can hear. They are singing loudly. Singing is the action word. Loudly is the adverb. Yes? They are singing loudly, not softly. Let's go on to more adverbs. Here we are. Look at this. What do you see here? The sun. The sun is rising. In the morning, the sun rises. Yes? Have you seen the sun rising? Rising is an action word. How does the sun rise? Slowly. Slowly, slowly. The sun is rising slowly. Slowly is an adverb. Rising is the action word. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's go on to another adverb. Look at the picture here. The two kids. What are the kids doing? They are shouting. They're shouting at each other. The kids are shouting. Shouting is the action word. How are they shouting? Badly. They're shouting badly at each other. Badly is the adverb. Action word, adverb. I hope you're enjoying the exercise of adverb. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Here we are. What do you see here? Picture of a huge ship. Where does the ship go? On the sea. The ship sails on the sea. The ship is sailing. Sailing is the action. What is the ship doing? Ship is sailing. How is the ship sailing? The ship is sailing quickly. It is going from one port to another. The ship is sailing quickly on the sea. Yes, quickly is the adverb. Sailing is the action verb. Good.